Nordic Walking Downhill Technique. Welcome to our ultimate guide on mastering the art of effortless stride in Nordic walking downhill. In this video, we will dive deep into the Nordic walking downhill technique, providing you with practical tips and insights to enhance your skills in this exhilarating activity. If you're passionate about Nordic walking, you already know the joy it brings by combining physical exercise with beautiful nature explorations. However, conquering the downhill terrain requires a different approach, and that's where our expertise steps in. With years of experience in Nordic walking, our dedicated team has discovered invaluable secrets to execute a seamless downhill stride. Through this tutorial, we aim to share these insights, helping you become a master of Nordic walking downhill technique. By implementing our expert tips, you'll learn how to maintain balance, optimize your pole usage, and synchronize each stride perfectly. We'll cover essential elements such as foot placement, body posture, and arm movement, all of which play a vital role in conquering downhill paths effortlessly. Discover the empowering feeling of gliding down slopes as this video breaks down each step, making it easy to understand and practice. Regardless of your skill level or previous experience, our guidance is designed to suit beginners as well as advanced walkers seeking to refine their techniques. Join us in this educational journey as we guide you towards Nordic walking downhill mastery. Unleash your potential, boost your confidence, and embrace the art of effortless stride. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your Nordic walking skills and enrich your overall experience. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Remember, practice makes perfect, so grab your poles and get ready to embark on a new adventure with Nordic walking downhill. Welcome to today's video on mastering the art of effortless stride in downhill Nordic walking. Are you ready to enhance your technique and take your walking experience to new heights? Let's get started. First and foremost, it's crucial to maintain a firm and relaxed grip on your poles. This will provide the necessary support and stability as you navigate the slopes. Remember, the poles are an extension of your arms, so keep them positioned slightly behind your body for optimum balance. Next, focus on your rhythm. Take small, controlled steps, allowing your body to naturally lean forward. This forward lean will help you maintain stability and control your speed. Visualize a graceful glide rather than a hurried descent. As you descend, keep your knees slightly bent and your weight evenly distributed between both legs. This will absorb the impact and reduce strain on your joints. Relax your upper body and engage your core for added stability. One key technique for downhill Nordic walking is the heel-toe motion. Start by landing on your heel, rolling through your foot, and pushing off with your toes. This fluid movement will ensure a smooth stride and reduce the risk of slipping. Now let's talk about safety. Always be aware of your surroundings and choose a path without obstacles or loose debris. Maintain a proper distance from other walkers to prevent collisions. And never forget to wear appropriate footwear with good traction. Lastly, listen to your body. If you feel any discomfort or fatigue, take a break and stretch your muscles. Hydrate regularly to keep yourself energized throughout your walk. Remember, mastering the downhill technique in Nordic walking takes practice and patience. So take it slow, focus on your form, and enjoy the journey. Thank you for watching our video on mastering the art of effortless stride in downhill Nordic walking. We hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Happy walking!